Dang it. Hey guys, it's me, and I'm going to be doing the cinnamon challenge. I don't even know if I'm going to focus or not, but I'm going to just sure to know where's one side. Oh my god, I did not want that much. Okay. Oh, it got hot. This is a short video, I know, but y'all can't really see me. Okay, this is a short video and stuff, but I'm gonna take y'all out there to see some fireworks. So if there's like anyone else lighting fireworks, I'm gonna record them and I'll try to catch it. It's gonna be hard, but I'll be right back. I don't know if y'all can see it, but
Come on. Don't video that. This ain't gonna be good.
she about to. I'm gonna drop my phone. Whoa. Ow.
Good.
Where's Mama? Talking too much. Connection. Why she change her schedule? It's gonna be loud. Whoa, 6 seconds. Thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's kind of boring at first, but actually this video was kind of good. But I want y'all to subscribe to me, please. And that's it all for my video. Have a good night. I forgot 4th of July too, but